welcome back. Imposter syndrome is the feeling that you are not as competent as others think you are despite your so many past accomplishments. And it's common among high achievers and can hold you back from fully embracing your success and your potential. The key to overcoming imposter syndrome is acknowledging your achievements and understanding that you have earned your place. So, start by recognizing that everyone experiences self doubt at some point in their career and life, and especially when stepping out of your comfort zone. So, instead of letting these doubts control you, use them as a reminder that you are growing and challenging yourself. So, focus on facts, not on feelings. What have you achieved in your career so far? Reflect on the skills, hard work, and the determination that got you here. So, today's action step, write down 3 of your recent career accomplishments. When imposter syndrome strikes you, remind yourself of the successes and the efforts you have put in achieving them. Now, let us recap. Imposter syndrome can hold you back, but by focusing on your achievements and the facts of your success, you can overcome it. So, please do not forget to subscribe for more insights on career coaching. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see once again.